Team Kop is situated in Temerin, near Novi Sad. The company currently employs 65 workers. The company was established in 1992, its main activities being performing work and production of equipment for power distribution, metal construction, and installation of electrical equipment in buildings. Team Kop has designed 2 projects of their own. The company's main activity includes manufacture and installation of pole transformer construction, prefabricated concrete, masonry, compact concrete, building of air and cable lines up to 20 kilovolts, overhaul and revision of substations, design and professional supervision. Business is in accordance with standards for quality management, environmental protection, and health and safety at work.